Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Rice is a good source of complex carbs which is very crucial for fueling your intense workouts. Mushrooms can increase muscle endurance due to its abundant nutrients, multi-minerals and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains vitamin D which is very important for bone health. Eggs are a good source of high quality protein which contains all 9 essential amino acids that human body needs. One large egg contains 6 grams of protein. So, with the combination of these three, today I want to share a delicious muscle building mushroom egg rice recipe. You can have this for lunch or dinner. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a vessel, I am adding 1 cup of long grain brown rice. Add some water and rinse it well 1 to 2 times and discard the water after each rinse. Rinsing helps you to remove the dust particles from it. Here I have discarded the water. Add some water again. Cover it with a lid and soak it for 45 minutes. Into a deep vessel, add 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of salt and boil the water. And when the water starts to boil, add the soaked brown rice into it. Stir it once and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid. See, the rice is well cooked and all the water is absorbed completely. Into a wide kadai, I am adding 1 tablespoon of organic ghee and heat it. And when the ghee is heated, add 2 bay leaves and whole spices like 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 5 cloves and fry them till the aroma from the spices comes out. Now add 2 big green chilies, 1 onion slices and fry them till the onions turn into golden brown in color. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into it and fry till the raw smell from the ginger and the garlic goes out. Add half teaspoon of pink salt. Our onions are done. Now add 1 cup of button mushroom pieces into it. Saute it once. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame. After 2 minutes, open the lid and see the mushrooms are well cooked. Now add 1 big tomato pieces into it and cook it till the tomatoes turn into soft and mushy. See, the tomatoes are well cooked. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and fry till the raw smell from the powders goes out. Now add 3 whole eggs into it and fry well for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are cooked. Now add the cooked rice into it. Mix it well and see that the rice is well coated with the egg mixture. Now it is done. Our delicious mushroom egg rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.